Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change the color of my handwriting in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. First of all, open your handwriting document or image or picture. Go to select tab, color range and select color black. Click OK. Then see this. Go to select tab, invert selection, and again the quick selection tool minus remove the outside. Not perfect selection, press Ctrl D, remove this, and I want to use the again selection tool, quick selection tool. Again right click on your mouse, use magic wand tool, multiple selection, tolerance 32%. Then select the black, select the text or the single color, and use duplicate layer or use apply to this layer. Okay, then example I use this layer red color. Alter, press backspace, or use duplicate layer, press Ctrl Z, then double click the duplicate layer, color overlay, change color, change the opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.